Mgbeke. I am the national president of the National Coalition for Goodluck Jonathan 2027. The former president, for him to contest in this forthcoming election. We want him to say something. We want him to declare his public. So I'm going to read the copy of the letter we sent to him. He's on the way here himself. I'm going to read the copy of the letter. Prof.Mgbeke Jonathan, GCFR. A clarion call on His Excellency to salvage Nigeria. I am most humbled and privileged to lead a delegation of our members representing millions of Nigerians from all the 36 states and FCT to deliver this message to him on behalf of our members, our millions of members. This message is short, direct, and simple. Nigerians have asked us to plead with him to come to the rescue of our nation by declaring interest to contest for the presidency in 2027. Everywhere that we have visited in the course of our nationwide consultation over the period of the last 6 months, the clamor for the return of the ex-president Prof.Mgbeke Jonathan to power to rescue our country has been loud and unmistakable. The Nigerians are lamenting the current state of despair, homelessness, and disunity in the country. They see the ex-president as the only unifying force that can reverse the impending catastrophe looming over the country. Nigerians are asking him to declare now for the 2027 presidential contest. They are prepared and determined to come out in their millions to support and vote massively for Goodluck Jonathan. This is the message from across the 36 states and the FCT. We thank you for your understanding. We have exercised here today.
Okay, can we ask questions?
His innate tendencies, his leadership qualities and virtues, and his past, his antecedents and pedigree has demonstrated that it's about the only hope for now. He has ruled this country for 4 years, 4 good years, his own term. And his achievements are still there for us to see. We know the rate of the naira then. We know the price of a bag of rice. We know how much the crude oil was exchanged for dollars. We know how much all these things are going for in the market now. Prof.Mgbeke Jonathan is a confirmed replacement for the present messy situation we are facing in the country.
We are all an eyewitness here, especially those that are from North. The level of insecurity, hunger, and destabilization of the people living in our area, we know what we are facing. It's like when Mr. Jonathan was going, he has gone with democracy. Democracy has gone, and that's why we are here, for him to restore the democracy of our country. We know what is happening in our area. People are not in their homes. We cannot sleep with our eyes. Most of us have been destabilized. At least, if we can have somebody like him, who has the people and the country and our country in his mind, we definitely know that this country will be in a good shape. Goodluck Jonathan, people are voting for him, especially the North. I'm from the northern part of the country, far northwest. We know what we are facing. We have banditry, we have Lakurawa, and so on. The area was destabilized. We have no politicians that can restore this country better than him. And we are sure he is the only person that is capable of handling the democracy of this country.
Thank you.
Samson Abacha. The question is just one and the answer are numerous. Why do we want the president to come back to govern the country once more? Well, you can see there is a saying in Hausa that we have tested 2 presidents, and then his record is still outshining the former, which is the late president, and then the present president. There was a protest to remove the president then, Goodluck Jonathan, because of insecurity. By statistics, then and now, if I would turn my face to this tumult crowd behind to ask, when was Nigeria safer? You will hear that a very loud and outstanding sound that Nigeria was safer during Goodluck Jonathan. I have traversed the country with him in 2015. He is a pure, genuine Democrat. And the banter against him that the current president is not Goodluck Jonathan shows that the man actually has something that the others don't have. Because when the results yet to be declared, he admitted and then congratulated the then president. So he's a man that with his human milk and then his kind of person, he can unify the country. He will bring the people together. So we are here as a people representing Nigeria, the entirety of Nigeria, that he should come. He's the right person because he had been there before. And it is a trend that has gone around the globe. We have the president of America that was there before. He's back in America. We have that of Ghana. We have numerous of them across the globe. So it is actually a wind of change across the continents of the world. So we are saying that he's a man Nigeria will trust. He's a man that can pilot the affairs of this country without any bias. So that is just the simple reason why we have come to ask him that throw the hat in the ring and let the foot soldiers do the work. Thank you very much.
Thank you. And the name again, sir?
Amadou Samson Abacha.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
They don't get small, most like very and small. What's it with this one? Baba.
That is battery.
Hello, 1 2 1 2. Hello, 1 2 1 2 1 2.